Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Shopify POS review and demo. Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system designed for retail businesses to manage their sales, inventory, and customer data in one place. First, let's start with the key features of Shopify POS. It includes tools for managing orders, processing payments, and tracking inventory levels. It also allows you to create customer profiles and offer loyalty programs to increase customer retention. To get started with Shopify POS, you need to download the Shopify POS app on your device and set up your store. You can then add products, set prices, and customize your store settings. One of the key benefits of Shopify POS is its ability to integrate with your online store, allowing you to manage all your sales channels in one place. This means you can track inventory levels, process orders, and analyze sales data across all your sales channels. In terms of payment processing, Shopify POS supports a range of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and mobile payments. It also offers a range of hardware options, including card readers and cash drawers. To demonstrate how Shopify POS works, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you own a retail clothing store and you want to process a sale using Shopify POS. You can simply scan the product barcode, select the payment method, and complete the transaction. Best practices for using Shopify POS include regularly updating your inventory levels, tracking your sales data, and offering loyalty programs to increase customer retention. It's also important to customize your store settings and create customer profiles to improve the customer experience. In conclusion, Shopify POS is a powerful tool for retail businesses to manage their sales, inventory, and customer data in one place. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of Shopify POS and take your business to the next level.